All right, let's craft a fictional account for NACIL Flight 205 that could fit within an aviation thriller or incident report. Here's a possible storyline. Incident summary. NACIL Flight 205 Incident, 2009. Date, March 14, 2009. Flight, NACIL Flight 205. Route, Mumbai to New Delhi. Aircraft, Boeing 737-800. Tail number, VTNCL. Occupants, 165, 159 passengers, 6 crew. Incident classification, major incident, averted accident. Background. NACIL Flight 205 was a scheduled domestic passenger flight operated by National Aviation Company of India Limited, set to fly from Mumbai to New Delhi. The flight was part of a high-traffic route, especially during peak hours, and carried a diverse mix of business travelers, tourists, and families. The aircraft was a well-maintained Boeing 737-800, known for its reliability. On March 14, 2009, however, this routine flight would face a series of unprecedented challenges that would test both the crew's skill and passengers' resilience. Incident description. At 10:45 a.m., shortly after takeoff from Mumbai's Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj International Airport, Flight 205 climbed steadily through light clouds, maintaining contact with air traffic control, ATC. At approximately 10,000 feet, passengers and crew began to notice a faint burning smell in the cabin. Initially thought to be from an electronic device, the smell intensified, and passengers reported feeling faint traces of smoke coming from the air vents. Mid-flight crisis. At 11:03 a.m., as the aircraft leveled at its cruising altitude of 35,000 feet, the smoke alarm went off in the forward galley. The crew followed standard emergency procedures, donning masks and inspecting the area for signs of fire. At the same time, the captain reported the issue to ATC and requested an emergency descent to 10,000 feet as a precaution. Within minutes, passengers began experiencing lightheadedness, leading the crew to suspect a possible cabin pressurization issue in addition to the smoke. Oxygen masks deployed, and the pilots, after attempting to troubleshoot the issues, began preparations for an emergency landing at the nearest viable airport, Ahmedabad's Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel International Airport. Electrical malfunction. As the descent continued, Flight 205 systems began experiencing cascading electrical failures. First, the cockpit lighting flickered. Then, the communications system with ATC began to cut in and out intermittently. The pilots had to rely on backup instruments and tried to communicate with ATC using a secondary radio system. Passengers were instructed to brace for a possible emergency landing as the smoke grew thicker in the cabin and visibility deteriorated. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel.